Hello, students and parents of Fulton Virtual Math. This is Mr. Sage with your Week 6 wrap-up and preview into Week 7. As you can tell, we're a little late this week. All I can say is it was another football weekend. Delta was ready when I was, but the storms didn't let us go when we wanted to. So I was a little later getting back than I had planned. But the week is off to a good start. Lots of students working already and making good progress. During the past week, I managed to visit 12 schools and see lots of students. I'll be probably close to that number for this week, probably in the 10 to 12 visits again. We'll talk about that a little bit further on. But ongoing things for you to be thinking about. A lot of you are taking your first or second unit test. You're moving along quite well. And I just want to remind you about how to prepare for those tests. The first and best way to prepare is to do your very best on the unit test review problems. Those problems are, again, a good indicator of how well you're going to do on the test. So do your very best. If you don't score well on those, email me and let me know, and I'll find some other practice problems that you can use to get ready for your unit test. Absolutely always make sure that you're working the problems out, whether that's on your practice or on the unit test itself. I still see lots of students who are trying to do mental math for all the problems in their course, and that at some point is not going to work. So you need to start getting into the practice, if you're not already doing it, of working problems out. It also helps when you have a question. If you and I can look at what you did, what work you did, then it makes it a lot easier for us to talk about how we can correct anything that has gone wrong. And finally, when you're taking the test, one of the great advantages of working in an online environment is you get the advantage of having your notes, any of the problems that you've worked out during the course of the unit, which means all of your quiz problems, all of the problems from your assignments, all of that work can be close at hand. That's why I'm hoping you're all continuing to use your math notebook and doing your work in the notebook. What I would suggest is when you're done with a unit, go ahead and paperclip all the pages for that unit together, leave them in your notebook, but just clip them together so you know those are done for now. You don't want to throw those away because you're going to need to go back to those for the cumulative exam at the end of the course. But you're done with them for now, so if you clip them together, it makes it a real easy page turn to get past all that work that you've already completed. So that's just one tip that I've used in the past to try to help me when I was going through lessons and wanted to keep them for use later on. This week, we're going to go with two help sessions or drop-in sessions as they are becoming. We're going to continue the practice of having the challenge questions. So if you don't have a specific question about your course and you want to have some fun working on a challenging math problem, please feel free to join us. On Wednesday, we're going to be getting together at 5 o'clock, and we'll go from 5 to 6. And on Thursday, we'll go from 6 to 7. I've eliminated the 4 to 5 o'clock window because we were not getting very good attendance at that point, and I know that it's almost impossible for middle school students to join us at that time. So 5 to 6 on Wednesday, 6 to 7 on Thursday. For the travel schedule for this week, who am I going to see? Tomorrow, I plan, Tuesday that is, I plan to be in South County visiting the schools on the south side. I'm not sure that I can get to all of them in one day, and if I don't, I'll start Wednesday there as well to make sure I've gotten all of those schools visited before I head back to the north part of the county. That means probably Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday I will be going back to some of the schools on the north side that I haven't visited in a while. So if it's been 3 3 weeks since I've seen you last. There's a good chance I'm going to be dropping in. Some of the schools that have more than one session where they do math, Shake Rag is an example of a school that's like that. I'll probably be coming to a different time of day, a different classroom that I've been in the past to make sure that I get to see all the students there. Or I may visit you on 2 different days so that I can see the 2 different sessions of students of math time. So look for me on the south side tomorrow and Wednesday morning, and then on the north side Wednesday afternoon, Thursday. Friday we have a department meeting, so no visits in the morning. I may be able to squeeze 1 or 2 in the afternoon after our department meeting. Students, I hope you have a great week and continue to be very successful in your courses. You're doing terrific. Please be sure and watch the calendar. Make sure that you're staying on schedule. If not, you need to be scheduling some time at home, either after school during the week or on the weekends to get caught up. Everybody have a great week. I'll see you in your school soon.